Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. Can meditation alleviate anxiety? Even in ordinary circumstances, anxiety disorders are prevalent among adults, affecting approximately 40 million Americans annually. Additionally, many individuals experience subclinical anxiety, characterized by heightened stress and worry that, while noticeable, does not significantly impair daily functioning. Despite its commonality, experiencing severe anxiety remains deeply unpleasant. Consequently, many individuals turn to medication to alleviate symptoms, although medication alone is often insufficient. Moreover, medications may lose effectiveness over time, necessitating additional coping mechanisms such as meditation. Initiating a meditation practice can prove challenging, particularly for those grappling with anxiety, as it may initially exacerbate symptoms. However, persistence and openness to the potential benefits are crucial. Scientifically proven to reduce stress and anxiety, meditation and mindfulness practices offer a pathway to cultivating a healthier mindset. When considering meditation techniques, one may encounter discussions about mindfulness. Mindfulness and meditation are not interchangeable terms, but rather complementary concepts. Mindfulness entails being present in the moment with receptivity, while meditation is the practice that fosters mindfulness. Through meditation, individuals can learn to cultivate mindfulness, enhancing their ability to manage anxiety-inducing situations effectively. Addressing negative thought patterns, a common symptom of anxiety, is integral to managing the condition. Meditation aids in recognizing and distancing oneself from these thoughts, offering strategies such as reframing negative thoughts in a light-hearted manner or acknowledging and dismissing them. Furthermore, mindfulness practices involving breath awareness can help alleviate hypervigilance associated with anxiety. By focusing on controlled breathing, individuals can regulate their autonomic nervous system, thereby reducing susceptibility to panic attacks and other anxiety symptoms. In essence, integrating meditation into daily life offers a proactive approach to managing anxiety, fostering resilience, and promoting emotional well-being. I hope this insight into the effects of meditation on anxiety is helpful. Cheers! Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.